Let me show you how to correctly reset and unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So if you actually do it from the watch itself, I actually do not suggest to do it like this, because it actually doesn't remove the activation lock. So you see, you can go in the settings, general settings, and if you swipe all the way down, you see you have this reset option here. But so you can obviously reset this, and if you are pairing it with your own phone back, it obviously will work. But if you actually try to pair with someone else's iPhone, so for example, if you are selling your watch, they will actually get asked this Apple ID to enter, basically, that you use it on this watch, which obviously isn't very good. So to correctly reset it, we actually have to do it from the Apple Watch app. So this app over here on your phone. So you can click over here in all watches, select your watch you want to reset, and then in the general settings over here, so again simply so click this reset option over here and do it simply from here. Also make sure to remove all mobile plans. So again, if you are giving it someone else, you want to basically delete the eSIM basically on this watch. If you do reset this, it actually doesn't remove the eSIM. So again, first make sure to do this and then simply click this erase Apple Watch content and settings. Yep, basically erase everything. And as you see over here, it asks to enter your email password to confirm that, yep, you are actually the owner and you indeed want to reset it. Okay. So then, and we're simply going to wait now. This process might take up to like 5 minutes for it to reset and completely delete everything. So simply wait till it finishes. And after that, your Apple Watch is basically ready to pair with any other device. And if you pair basically with another phone, it actually won't ask to log in the same account, since we did it from over here. Anyway, good luck.